So up this week on the channel, just outside of Edinburgh, is the Forth Road Bridge. So this is a cantilever bridge which is over the Firth of Forth to the east of Scotland, just outside of Edinburgh. So it was a lovely July's morning when we filmed this. There wasn't many boats, if any, in the Firth of Forth. We were actually just stood in the shadow of the first Forth Road Bridge. This one we're just panning across now. There was a nice little parking area with a shop and a cafe you could sit on. And you can see the Forth Bridge, the famous one, in the distance there. We'll get some better shots of it shortly. So that bridge that we're looking at now in the foreground, that looked like it was closed. It was getting some work done on it. So I do send the drone up a little bit later so you can have a good look at it. We got up to about 100 metres in total. Didn't really want to go any higher. And you can see the area we stood on just there. The bridges come away from a place called Queensferry, which is just outside of Edinburgh. Really quaint little village if you want to go and have a look around while you're visiting the area. It's really nice. And as I just line the drone up here to go under the Forth Road Bridge, you can see the Forth Railway Bridge in the distance. And there was trains going across it pretty regular. So here they are, the shot of the Forth Rail Bridge underneath the Forth Road Bridge, and behind us we have the third bridge, which is the Queensferry crossing.